Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to control Google Chrome color profile settings step by step in 2026. If colors look washed out, too saturated, different from Photoshop, or inconsistent across websites, the issue is often related to Chrome's color management and display profile handling. Let's fix that properly. First, understand the problem. Different monitors use different color spaces like sRGB, Display P3, or Adobe RGB. Chrome tries to manage colors automatically, but sometimes the default setting doesn't match your display, causing incorrect color rendering. Let's start with Chrome's internal settings. Open Chrome and type Chrome://flags in the address bar, then press Enter. In the search box at the top, type color profile. You will see an option called Force Color Profile. Click the drop-down menu. Here you can choose profiles like sRGB, Display P3, sCRGB, linear, or leave it on default. If your colors look oversaturated, choose sRGB. This is the safest and most widely supported color space for web content. After selecting it, click Relaunch to restart Chrome. Next, check your operating system display profile. On Windows, right-click the desktop and open Display Settings. Scroll down and click Advanced Display Settings, then open Display Adapter Properties. Go to the Color Management tab and ensure the correct ICC profile for your monitor is selected. If the wrong profile is active, Chrome will display inaccurate colors. Now test color accuracy. Open a website with strong colors or compare an image inside Chrome with the same image in a photo editor. If Chrome colors now match other apps, the issue is fixed. If you use a wide gamut monitor like Display P3, you can experiment with the Display P3 option in Chrome flags for richer colors. But keep in mind that some websites are designed only for sRGB, so results may vary. Also, disable browser extensions that modify visuals, such as dark mode or color filters. These can interfere with Chrome's color pipeline. Finally, keep your graphics driver updated. Outdated drivers can break color management and hardware acceleration, and that's how you control Google Chrome color profile settings step by step in 2026. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more Chrome tips and advanced settings tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.